Welcome to Production Therapy. Today, we're taking you inside a world few people ever see, the hidden universe where raw coconuts are transformed into pure golden coconut oil. It's a product used by millions every single day, in kitchens, in skincare, in hair care, and even in traditional medicine. But almost no one knows the engineering, precision, and sheer force of nature behind it. From endless coconut plantations swaying under the sun, to massive shredders tearing through tough coconut shells, to high-pressure extractors squeezing out every drop of natural oil, to ultra-clean refining lines operating with surgical accuracy. This is the complete journey of how a humble coconut becomes one of the most valuable natural oils on the planet. Get ready, because what you're about to see is the real, unfiltered story of coconut oil, from raw fruit to finished perfection. The journey starts long before anything reaches the factory, deep inside sprawling coconut plantations that line tropical coastlines. Here, skilled workers scale towering coconut trees or use specialized harvesting poles to bring down fully matured coconuts. These aren't chosen randomly. Each one is selected at peak maturity when the kernel inside holds the highest possible oil content. Freshly harvested coconuts are gathered, inspected for quality, and sorted by size and ripeness. Only the best make it forward. From there, truckloads of coconuts begin their journey toward the processing facility, the first major step in transforming raw fruit into rich, golden coconut oil. From tree to transport, the production chain officially begins. Once the coconuts arrive at the factory, the first major task is getting past their natural armor. Massive de-husking machines grip each coconut and tear off the thick, fibrous outer husk in seconds. Next, high-torque shell-cracking units split the hard shell with clean mechanical precision, revealing what the entire process is built around: the pure, bright white coconut meat. Depending on the facility, skilled workers or robotic extraction arms remove the kernels and place them onto the conveyor line. From here, the coconut meat is washed, checked for impurities, and prepared for the next phase: oil extraction. Before any oil can be extracted, the coconut meat goes through one of the most crucial stages: cleaning. Powerful high-pressure water jets blast away sand, loose fibers, shell fragments, and any trace impurities picked up during harvesting. The pieces then move through stainless steel washing tunnels where they're rinsed multiple times to meet strict food-grade hygiene standards. Only spotless, perfectly clean coconut meat continues forward, a critical step for producing pure, premium-grade coconut oil, especially in cold-pressed batches. The cleaned coconut meat now moves into industrial shredders, where razor-sharp rotating blades rapidly break it down into a soft, uniform coconut mash. In many facilities, this fresh mash then enters controlled drying or gentle heating chambers. Here, precise temperatures remove excess moisture without burning or damaging the natural oils. Lower moisture means higher extraction efficiency and better quality oil. By the end of this stage, the coconut mash is perfectly conditioned and ready for one of the most critical steps in the entire process: oil extraction. Now comes the heart of the process: extraction. Factories typically use two major methods: cold pressing and expeller pressing. In cold pressing, the coconut mash is pressed at low temperatures using powerful mechanical presses. This preserves the natural aroma, nutrients, and delicate compounds, producing premium-grade virgin oil. In expeller pressing, controlled heat and high pressure are applied to maximize output, creating a rich, cooking-grade oil with excellent yield and stability. As the presses operate, golden coconut oil begins to flow into stainless steel collection tanks. What remains, a dry, fibrous coconut cake, never goes to waste. It's reused as animal feed, fertilizer, or even as a clean-burning biomass fuel. This is the moment the raw coconut finally becomes pure, usable oil. Freshly pressed coconut oil isn't ready just yet. It still contains tiny fibers, moisture, and natural residues. To refine it into a perfectly clean product, factories use several purification techniques. High-speed centrifuges spin the mixture thousands of times per minute, instantly separating pure oil from water and fine particles. Multi-stage filtration units pass the oil through fine mesh filters to capture any remaining solids. Settling tanks let impurities drift downward naturally over time. In some regions, traditional fermentation is used, where natural enzymes separate the oil without any heat or machinery. By the end of this stage, the oil turns clear, aromatic, and shelf-stable, ready for the final steps. Not all coconut oil is sold as virgin. Some undergo an extra refining process to make it suitable for cooking, cosmetics, or industrial use. This careful process includes neutralization, removing any free fatty acids for a smoother taste; bleaching, using natural clays to lighten the color without chemicals; and deodorization, steam treatment to achieve a neutral aroma. The result? A mild, clear, long-lasting oil ready for kitchens, beauty products, or industrial applications. Before it ever reaches a bottle, the oil is rigorously tested for purity, safety, and quality, ensuring that every drop meets global standards. Now, the oil is ready to meet the world. High-speed automated bottling lines measure and fill each container with exact precision. Caps are sealed instantly, locking in freshness. Labeling machines apply branding and nutritional info with perfect alignment, while batch numbers and manufacturing codes ensure full traceability. Every single bottle passes strict visual and quality inspections. Only flawless products make it to distribution. From raw coconut to a shining bottle of golden oil, the journey is complete, ready for kitchens, skincare routines, or beauty rituals around the globe. Finished bottles don't just sit on the line, they're organized for the world. Automated systems group bottles into cartons or shrink-wrapped trays with exact precision. Robotic palletizers then lift and stack them into tall, stable pallets, ready to endure shipping and handling. Each pallet is carefully wrapped, scanned, and logged for full traceability. From local markets to international distributors, this is how pure coconut oil leaves the factory, embarking on its journey to kitchens, skincare shelves, and beauty routines across the globe. And there you have it, the full journey from coconuts swaying in tropical groves to pure golden oil ready for kitchens, skincare, and countless other uses. If you loved this inside look at how coconut oil is made, hit that like button, subscribe to Production Therapy, and drop a comment telling me which factory or process you want us to explore next. Until then, stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next episode where the story behind everyday products comes to life.